Bienvenidos a Master English Quiz. En este video, te presentamos una conversación básica en inglés, perfecta para principiantes. Con preguntas simples y comunes, aprenderás a presentarte, expresar tus gustos y hacer preguntas personales de forma natural. Esta práctica te ayudará a fortalecer tus habilidades en introducción y conversación en inglés. Comenzamos.
Let's start. Master English Quiz. Hi. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
My name is Lily. What's your name? My name is Lily. What's your name?
I'm Tom. I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Nice to meet you too, Lily.
How are you? How are you?
I'm good. And you? I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. Where are you from? I'm good too. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan, you? I'm from Japan, you?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada.
Do you live here? Do you live here?
Yes, I do. Do you? Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I live here. How old are you? Yes, I live here. How old are you?
I'm 21. And you? I'm 21. And you?
I'm 20. I'm 20.
Do you work or study? Do you work or study?
I study and you? I study and you?
I study too. I study too.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study English. And you? I study English. And you?
I study English too. I study English too.
Do you like English? Do you like English?
Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it.
Me too. Me too.
Do you have brothers or sisters? Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. And you? Yes, I have one brother. And you?
I have one sister. I have one sister.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
I like cats. I like cats.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
Dogs are nice. Dogs are nice.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, and yours? My favorite color is blue, and yours?
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music.
Me too. Me too.
What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Toy Story, and yours? My favorite movie is Toy Story, and yours?
My favorite movie is The Lion King. My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Me too. Me too.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer, and you? Yes, I like soccer, and you?
I like soccer too. I like soccer too.
Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. Yes, I love pizza.
Me too. Me too.
It was nice talking to you, Tom. It was nice talking to you, Tom.
Nice talking to you too, Lily. Nice talking to you too, Lily.
Goodbye, Tom. Goodbye, Tom.
Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye, Lily.
Continúa afianzando tus habilidades con Master English Quiz. No te olvides de dejar tu like y comentario. Suscríbete al canal si aún no lo has hecho. Nos vemos en la próxima.